A rambunctious 2-year-old today, Zachary Cossey has had quite a year. Born healthy with perfect hearing. But a mysterious viral infection around his second birthday caused little Zachary to lose his hearing completely.
He stopped using his words. He stopped speaking really clearly. He stopped responding to sounds. And I started doing things like banging the wall really hard to see if he would react, and there would be no reaction.
Community Hospital ENT physician Dr. Wayne Berryhill started treatment for Zachary, knowing how crucial these first years are for speech and language development.
A little bit of a unique case because he was making progress with his speech and language development, and at some point he had an infection and then just stopped making progress.
The toddler had been hearing perfectly just 3 months earlier, but the rapid onset of that virus with no notable symptoms had stolen his sound. Zachary was profoundly deaf.
I was shocked. I knew that there was probably something wrong with his hearing. I knew that I was probably going to find out that he had some type of hearing loss, but I never expected to be told that he had complete hearing loss on both ears. It was about a 2-hour test, and that's when we got the diagnosis that he was deaf.
For Zachary, the next step was cochlear implants, computerized hearing devices implanted deep in Zachary's skull and inner ear. The surgery is major. His family chose Community Hospital. At Community Hospital, we believe every patient is deserving of first-class treatment. Every age, every procedure, you can expect to be cared for like family, by our family of healthcare professionals.
I knew that he was going to be taken care of, and he was not just going to be taken care of as a patient, but he was going to be loved, and he was going to be, all of his needs were going to be met, from emotional to physical.
And now, the exciting work begins for Zachary as he rejoins a world full of sounds.
Good job! Yay!
Learning to listen. Audiologists are mapping Zachary's cochlear implants now. Zachary is beginning to understand words are power.
That is my hope, is for him to just lead a completely normal life, aside from having 2 devices on his head.
Electronic ears installed by a tireless surgeon at an award-winning facility that aims for life-changing outcomes for every patient.
I think that his prognosis is wonderful.
It's advanced treatment for hearing loss at Community Hospital.